Hi Bradley friends, it's Miss Allison here and Miss Sarah, and we are going to make lava lamps, a DIY project at home. Miss Sarah has some ingredients that you're going to need for your house.
These are ingredients you should be able to find at home pretty easy. We have vegetable oil. I have a soybean oil, but you can use extra virgin olive oil, baby oil, any type of oil, cooking oil or baby oil is fine. We have some water. It can be warm or cold, doesn't really matter. Food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer tab, which I've torn apart. There's 2 in the pack, and I'm going to give one to Miss Allison to use. So, ready?
Yep.
Our first step is you can use any water bottle. It can be fancy. It can be a plain old everyday water bottle. And we are going to fill it about 3/4 of the way full with our oil.
Right.
So here we go.
I'm not spilling, that's good. Little work. Do you need more?
Well, you go ahead and do that. We'll see where they fill. But I think if we do 3 parts oil and 1 part water, doesn't necessarily have to be an exact 3/4 of the bottle.
Put a little bit more in yours.
I think it's because it's a wider.
Ta-da!
All right, so here we go. And then we're gonna take our food coloring.
All right.
And we're just gonna change our water.
I have green. What
I
color
have
do you have? Red. All right.
A few drops should be good.
Fun.
Give it a little stir. Would you like to borrow my
And what?
knife? There you go. Just
Ta-da!
color water. Then we're gonna pour our water into our bottle.
All right. Here we go. Here's the magic. Oh, I did it.
And you should start to see a separation.
Look at the
It's
bubbles.
because water and oil do not mix. Let it settle for a second. Be careful not to shake it too much. I don't think we want to shake it much right at this part of the process. You can see how the water went through the oil and is now settled at the bottom. We're going to take our Alka-Seltzer tablet, get it out of the way, and break it into some pieces.
Okay. And it's pretty easy to break up.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here are my pieces. And we're gonna slowly drop pieces in about every couple seconds.
All right. Right.
One in there. There's tiny little bubbles happening.
Ooh.
And just like a lava lamp, if you've seen one all plugged in, once the stuff inside gets warm, the lava bubbles up, it makes individual bubbles. That's exactly what our bottle is starting to do now. You give it a little swish, and you can see that we are bubbling like crazy in there.
It's pulling. So the color is in the water, so it's pulling the water up through the oil. So that's why you see the colored dots.
And because water and oil do not infuse, the water's staying. It's like, it looks almost like a bubble.
That's pretty.
Is that cool? And
It's
this is a
mesmerizing.
reusable experiment. Once the stuff settles, you can pop in another Alka-Seltzer tab and reuse it.
How fun is
Do
that?
it again and again. Fun.
All right. Thanks
High
so
five.
much.
Thank you. Bye, guys.
Bye.